Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look back at Numpy, the Vstack function. So alright, let's just go ahead and get into it. And this is what we do here. We take one topic and we build upon it. And we do one video subject at a time. So alright, we're going to be examining what Vstack does. We've looked at column stack. So alright, let's put these into memory. And it helps if you bring in the library as NP. Okay, let's try this again. So that's why it's super important to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't get behind or become overwhelmed, because that's really what this channel is it's a resource, it's a forum. We do requested videos, things like that. And if this type of video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. Okay, so Vstack, vertical stack. So column stack, side by side. So let's just look right at it. So we're gonna do a new variable. So it's a function. So it is stack, and we're going to pass it x, then y. And it wants a tuple. Did you see that? Let's do that again. Tuple. So x and y. So there we go. Call z. Boom. Layered this. And there. Just like so. So if you had a ton of one-dimensional arrays and you needed to layer them into a 2D, and you just go from there. So alright, very powerful tool, very handy. You got single arrays and you can merge them all into and layer them with a vertical stack. And like I've said before, we're just going to keep going through these and really start doing some very cool stuff. So please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.